Welcome to online classes of English organized by GDMI School. I am your English teacher Sarita Singh. Today I am going to teach you chapter 1 of English literature. The name of the chapter is How Old is Puttaji? This story is written by Rupa Pai. In this story, she wants to tell about the story which is about two great grandchildren of one great grandmother, Muttaji. They were invited in her birthday. She wants to know both grandchildren wants to know the age of that great grandmother, Muttaji. So in this story, the moment they reached the old greenhouse in Mysore, the twins burst into Muttaji's room. As soon as the both children reached the Mysore, they went suddenly into Muttaji's room. They wished, "Happy birthday, Muttaji. How old are you today?" They want to know, both children want to know how old their Muttaji. Muttaji hugged the twins. Muttaji hugged the twins means Muttaji hold closely both the children. How old am I? Who knows? How does it matter? But it does, cried Putta and Putti together. Muttaji doesn't know her real age. She says, what does it matter? But Putta and Putti wants to know her real age. Muttaji smiled. Well, she said, I know that around 5 years before I was born, our Maharaja went to grand party for Indian Maharajas and Maharanis in Delhi. A British king and queen had come to visit and our Maharaja got a gold medal. Muttaji tells the children that before she born, 5 years before, their Maharaja and Maharani attended a party great grand party in Delhi where their Maharaja got a gold medal by British king. Who was the king? Muttaji asked Putta. If you know, we can find out which year he visited. If we add 5 years to that, we will know you were born. Putta said, who was the king? If you tell the exact name of the king, we can search and we can add the 5 years to the party which that king has attended. Muttaji shrugged. I have forgotten, Putta. Muttaji shows that she doesn't remember anything. I have forgotten, which makes Putta disappointed. Putta's face fell. Face fell means he was disappointed by the answer. Muttaji shrugged. I have forgotten, Putta. Putta's face fell. It means Putta was very disappointed by the answer of Muttaji. Wait, said Muttaji. Let me see if I can remember something else. When I was about your age, 9 or 10, my uncle from Bombay visited us and told us about clean trains. Clean trains? So, as Puttaji was disappointed, Muttaji wants to remember something which can help Putta. She tells that she is trying to remember something else which can tell him about any incident which can help her, Putta and Putti. She remembers when she was about 9 or 10 years old, her uncle from Mumbai, Bombay means Mumbai. Now it is Mumbai, but earlier it is called Bombay. So his uncle from Bombay visited and told them about clean trains. So Muttaji's uncle came from Bombay that time and tell them about the clean trains. What is this clean trains? Yes, Muttaji was excited. as the Mutta asked the question, what is clean trains, Muttaji was excited and she wants to tell her. They had started running in Bombay that year. They never got dirty traveling in them. No black dust on your clothes or faces. She wants to tell that there was the train which was introduced that time. Earlier, while traveling, people are got dirty, but this time, this clean train means while traveling in those train, nobody gets any dirt on their clothes or face. The twins stared at her. Stared means look fixedly. Why would anyone get dirty traveling by train? So both children were stared each other, stared her, and they are having the question, why anybody going in train get dirty? Some years later, continued Muttaji, I was married. So some years later, she was married. I must have been 16, and the time of marriage she was about 16. Very soon after my marriage, your Muttaja got a job in Bombay, and we left Mysore. So after this incident, this clean train, about the clean train, at the age of 16, Muttaji was married and Muttaja got a job in Bombay. After that, she left Mysore. Did anything important happen the year you got married, Muttaji? Asked Putta. Then Putta, after that, anything you remember that can help us? Yes, said Muttaji. Our Maharaja inaugurated our big dam. So our Maharaja inaugurated our big dam means, inauguration means opening or introduction of anything to public. And the beautiful gardens next to it during the Dasara festival that year. So the Maharaja of that year, Mysore, inaugurated a big dam that year on the occasion of Dasara festival. A big dam Putta set up. Is it still there? Of course, it is the dam built across the Kaveri.